Good day guys, welcome to my third video on PLC ladder logic program. Today we will deal with advanced functions like timers, counters and comparators. So this will be my third video. So those who have missed my another two videos, here is the URL. Video number 1 is this URL and video number 2 is this URL. So this video number 3 will be the continuation of PLC 1, 2 and 3. This will be more advanced. So if you want to be familiar, you see my first video, second video, then you will be understanding what third video talks about. So now let us start our program here. So I have this program here, logic program. I will run this and this here. I will not be building a program. I have a ready-made program which is called an analog signal generator 0 to 100%. We'll open this, which is already built-in program by me. So we'll go to the analog output. And what this does it, when you trigger up and down inputs, the simulator will generate signal 0 to 100% or 100 to 0%. So basically there are two timers, 0 and 1, okay, operated by input 0 and 1. So they will pulse one count at a time, on out, on out, on out. So now here what we have done is we have two counters. This counter name was push 0. The difference being in one of them it is adding the timer 1 and then here it is subtracting the timer 0. So how was this done? So it was first was adding timer 1. So let's do that. Counter number 0, value was 100 because we need 0 to 100%. So here is timer number 1, add. Okay. And then again, so we need to first make the line here. Same counter number 0 again, value 100 again, but here now I will use timer number 0. Okay, basically now we'll see how it functions. We go up. Now our up and down inputs are input 0 and input 1. What this compare block does, it compares the value to 100 and clamps it, never allows it to go more than 100, and here it clamps it to 0. That's how we cannot go below 0 and above 100%. So let's simulate this here, and what we are looking at, the counter 0 values. Okay, now since this is value 0, this flag is on because this comparator has made it on, so this contact is open. So I have to go, cannot go here, so I have to go here. So it will count, and it counts. Okay, as it counts, it clamps to 100 because it is now the compare is 100. So we need to go down. So we go down. Now we will go down to 0 value. Now it will clamp at 0. So what we have done is we have used timer, we have used counters, and we have used comparator blocks. So all the three functions have been included in this. So now it goes down to 0 and clamps to 0. Okay. Now how do we display it in the graphics? We make a graphics program here and click this and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 to make it yellow, and make it yellow here. So, and we need to add a counter value. Okay, now you see when I run here, I just see a 0 value. So close this here, and then now we can run this. Okay, so it counts, stops, counts back, stop, and now this 0 value, what is this value, what is the tag number, you do not know. If there are many of the indicators here, you will be confused. So let's make it more define this value. So what I have done here, if you see in the logic, input 0 and input 1, I have made a parallel. Either 0 1, output 10 will be on. So what we do now, output 10, we write the value T 101 is T 101. Okay, now we connect to either input 0 or input 1. Okay. You see here, now it makes more sense, and this value is now defined. It is the function of LT101 in percentage. So as usual, we run it and run it here as well. So okay, okay. Now this is one way of showing the graphics. I'll show you a second method of showing the graphics. I make this, I close it, I save it. Now what I'll do is I'll open an Excel sheet. I'll open an Excel sheet. So here I'll make the process flow diagram, which will be more dynamic and for the operators to understand what is happening. So what we'll make one small drum here. So let's make a drum here. Let's make a drum here, and shape fill, no fill, outline, say weight, then we insert a text box, color, say automatic, drum, water drum. Feed. Drum. 101. So make it bigger. You can make it more artistic also if you are an artist. So now we make one more drum here. Okay. Boom. Shape fill. Say okay. Then we insert the text here, text box. Boiler level. Okay. Now we'll insert again. Insert a line here. Okay. And insert pump 101. Insert again arrow here again. So insert say let's take an arrow. Yeah, it's just a drawing I have made. You can be more artistic also. So what basically I'm trying to show here is there is a feed water drum and then 8 pumps. There's a pump 101 here which feeds the boiler. So here I have LT 101. So basically I have LT here. Okay, this is the LT. It is LT101. Now once I've done this, we need to highlight text, highlight this and copy this, hold it, and then open my graphics page. Run as administrator. Okay, then I will paste this here, edit, paste, bitmap. So now you can see here I have made some process diagram which is very easy to understand, and it will have two values here, the pump status and the LT. So I will save this as drum 101, drum, keep drum, drum 101. I will put it in a PLC. It is saved as a VPL file. Now I close this here. Okay. Again delete. Another administrator and file 1. Keep drum 101. So I have now my graphics page, and I can close this here. Now, as you already know, I will add it here and say yellow, and I'll connect this to as a counter 0. I run this. Basically what it tells you, the level in the drum in percentage. So we run this again, simulation here, and now you see the value is in percentage now. Okay, now we'll make a block here, compare block. So basically this example will remove here, so we'll use this function here, delete row, delete row, yes, delete row, yes. Now we make a compare block here, compare block, say value less than 10, and it should be for the counter 0. Counter 0. Okay, and we make the output 11. Okay, now minimize this here, again edit here, and say if less than 0, pump is, let's say, pump off. Pump off is red, pump on is green. So it should be connected to output 11. Let's see what happens now. So this is the status of the pump here. level is 0. When level is 0, here we need the pump to be on, correct? Yes, so that the this pump will feed the water. Let's change the color here. Edit label, we make it lime. Okay, now the pump should be on because the level is 0. Now it will remain on. The pump is off. Okay. Pump is on. Okay, now this is how we can make pump on off and have different comparator values. So now pump was on and pump was off. So this is the way to do it, and now this is more dynamic. Now you can add a lot of inputs and outputs to this. So now I close this and this, and so this concludes my third video for the comparator. In the next video I'll be showing you one complicated logic for a boiler level which have many inputs and outputs and a complex circuit. So see you next time, guys, and that's it for my this video. See you in the next video.